Let's check your knowledge about various flowers. Identify these flowers by looking at their pictures. Rose. Roses come in many colors like red, pink, and yellow. They have a sweet smell and are often given to show love. Lily. Lilies have big, beautiful petals and come in colors like white, orange, and pink. They grow from bulbs underground. Tulip. Tulips are bright and colorful flowers shaped like cups. They bloom in the spring and come in many colors. Daisy. Daisies are small, simple flowers with white petals and a yellow center. They grow wild in fields and meadows. Sunflower. Sunflowers are tall flowers with big, round heads that follow the sun. They have bright yellow petals and brown centers full of seeds. Orchid. Orchids are exotic flowers with delicate petals that come in many shapes and colors. Some orchids grow on trees. Carnation. Carnations are fluffy flowers with ruffled petals. They come in many colors and last a long time when cut. Peony. Peonies have big, fluffy blooms and come in shades of pink, white, and red. They smell sweet and bloom in the spring. Hydrangea. Hydrangeas have big clusters of tiny flowers that come in colors like blue, pink, and purple. They like to grow in shade. Daffodil. Daffodils are cheerful yellow flowers with a trumpet-shaped center. They bloom in the spring and are a sign that winter is over. Iris. Irises have colorful petals that look like they're waving in the wind. They come in shades of purple, blue, white, and yellow. Gerbera. Gerberas are bright and cheerful flowers with large, daisy-like petals. They come in many colors and are often used in bouquets. Lavender. Lavender is a fragrant herb with purple flowers that grow on long stems. It smells good and is often used in soaps and sachets. Lilac. Lilacs have clusters of small, fragrant flowers that bloom in shades of purple, pink, and white. They smell sweet and attract butterflies. Poppy. Poppies have bright, paper-thin petals that come in colors like red, orange, and pink. They grow wild in fields and symbolize remembrance. Jasmine. Jasmine flowers are small and white with a sweet, delicate scent. They grow on climbing vines and are often used to make perfume. Snapdragon. Snapdragons have tall spikes of colorful flowers that resemble dragon heads. They come in many colors and bloom in the spring and summer. Marigold. Marigolds have bright orange or yellow flowers with a spicy scent. They are easy to grow and are often planted in gardens to keep bugs away. Pansy. Pansies have small, delicate flowers with faces that look like they're smiling. They come in many colors and bloom in the spring and fall. Lotus. Lotuses are large, exotic flowers with big, round petals that float on the water. They come in shades of pink and white, and are sacred in many cultures. If you want to watch more of such interesting videos, then please do like, share and subscribe.